Welcome to Photoshop Tricks under 2 minutes. Let me show you how to use the mixer brush to create an awesome gradient stroke on a path. First, let us create our brush tip. Create an ellipse shape using the ellipse tool. Apply a gradient overlay to your shape. Rasterize the styled shape to be able to use it in a mixer brush. To do that, right-click on the shape layer and choose Rasterize Layer Style. Next, right-click on your brush tool and select Mixer Brush Tool. Under Brush Preset, choose Hard Round Pressure Size. And in the current brush load option, make sure that Load Solid Color Only is not selected. In your options bar, under the Custom dropdown, choose Dry, Heavy Load. Adjust your brush tip to be slightly bigger than your ellipse shape. To do that on your keyboard, you can press the left square bracket to decrease the size and the right square bracket to increase it. Then hold Alt, and click on your shape. Next, using your pen tool with the path selected, draw any shape. Once done, right-click on the path, and choose Stroke Path. In the Tool dropdown, select Mixer Brush Tool. Uncheck the Simulate Pressure, and click OK. That's under 2 minutes. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you on the next video and thank you for watching.